So I don't care about any party, I don't care about any symbol. I need to ensure that our pressure and our point of view is there in every sphere, whether it is in Lok Sabha, whether it is in the cabinet and outside the sphere. For all the opposition, we're talking about the Communist Party who ruled Tripura for such a long time. What is their point of view? Why haven't they supported us? Why did Manik Sarkar and why did the Communist Party do nothing for the tribals for such a long time? They have offered us nothing. They want me to join them for the fight for to save the Constitution of India. But when they were in power, they did think about the tribals' constitutional rights. Today, I had clearly said that I will not go into alliance with any government till we don't get it in writing. We have got it in writing only after I've gone. 1 year, we've done a jolly good job as an opposition party in the assembly. The CPM was in opposition between 2018 to 23. Manik Sarkar was there as opposition leader. What did they do? What did they do? We put this government on pressure, whether it was a language, whether it was on issues of unemployment, whether it was on various things. And today, once I've got it in writing, after staying 1 year in opposition, then we have gone. And we fought in the assembly, and we fought, and our strike rate is much better than them. So what happened to them? Why were they silent? The fact is that they don't have anything else. Now, the point is that the tribal people have always been on the wrong side. When the Congress was in power, the tribal people were unfortunately with the left. They got nothing. Today when NDA is in power, I don't agree with everything NDA does. But then, if I need my people to get something, obviously I will talk to those who are in the center. That is the way of life. Why should I fight their fight? They never fought our fight, so why should I fight their fight? I need to give something to my people constitutionally. And if the government in power is this one, then I will talk to them. If tomorrow Congress comes to power, I'll talk to Congress. But my point is, my people need to get justice done. And if the CPM has a problem with that, too bad for them.